Okay, there's a problem with number 11. Number 11 reads, well, it's not really a problem, it's kind of what you would call a red herring. The average cost in dollars of producing X units of golf clubs is X squared minus 18X plus 140, sorry. Determine the number of golf clubs to produce each hour to keep the cost below $75 per club. So they're throwing this in here, this each hour business, just to confuse you. It has nothing to do with the problem whatsoever. It could be each hour, it could be each year. It doesn't make any difference. There's nothing in here about producing within a particular time frame. We've got this cost structure, and the only thing this cost structure depends on is the value of X. And you would like to keep the value of X below 750, or less than, sorry, below 75, so less than 75. So this cost, known as X squared minus 18X plus 140, has to be less than $75. That's what we're after. So we have to find the values of X that make that true. So let us start by subtracting 75 from both sides so that we get our quadratic. X squared minus 18X. 140 minus 75 is 65. So 65, sneaking suspicion here, 65 is 13 times 5. Oh, isn't that convenient? This is 18x, which is 13 plus 5. So this factors. I'm glad we don't have to deal with the quadratic formula yet because it's annoying. There's a minus sign here and a plus sign here, so I've got two minuses, and that's 13 and 5. And that's the factor of this particular quadratic. So the values we're looking at are plus 13 and plus 5. So if we put that on the number line, we'll put 0 here, let's put 5 here, let's put 13 here. Let's put a number here like 20 as well. Less than, so you know we're going to represent it as little holes like that. And we've got region A, region B, and region C. So the question is it region A, B, or C? Let's test these. If we put 0 into the original equation, 0 minus 0 plus 140, is that less than 75? No, it's not. So it's not that region there. Let's put something in the middle in there. Let's try 10. 10 squared is 100, minus 180 is negative 80, plus 140 is 60. Is 60 less than 75? Yes, it is. Region C here, let's try 20. 20 squared is 400. I'm going to write this down. 400 minus 20 times 18 is 360, plus 140, and the answer to that equals 180. Is 180 less than 75? No, it's not, so it's not that region. So we're left with this here. So X has to be greater than 5, but less than 13. Done.